What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajane, and in today's video we're going to be doing a wig install from MEGALOOK Hair. I'm actually excited. I never had a hair like this before, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm doing some self-quarantining because I've been out a lot recently and I don't want to get sick, and if I am sick I don't want it to spread, and I want to make sure that it's gone before I leave for college, because I am leaving in 2 weeks, and that is the perfect amount of time to make sure that my body is healed and all that. Here is what the packaging looks like. It came with this right here, this little bag, and in this bag it has bobby pins, a little headband, green edge toothbrush, 2 wig caps. I already have a wig cap on because I just took a wig off. Here is the wig. It's a bob. I kind of wish it was longer, but it's a bob, and look how deep this frontal is. You get a lot of versatility in this, and it comes with this elastic band. You know, elastic band helps the wig seem it helps to get a better melt. So this is the short bob piano wig. It's a 13 by 4 inch frontal. This smells so good. Like customizing really, because I knew I was just gonna wear it in like a bob style. I wasn't gonna really mess with the front, so that's why I just installed it. I didn't do any like plucking or anything on the front because I knew I was only going to be using one style. If you guys are interested in this wig, use code MYTD13 for 13% off. All of this information will be linked in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I need to put some foundation under it because yeah, the knots are very black, so I have to make sure I put some foundation under it. I don't bleach my wigs anymore. If you guys didn't know, I don't bleach my wigs anymore. So how I install my wigs is I just use spritz, and I just use my blow dryer to make sure it stays and make sure it's hard and dry so it won't move. And I promise y'all, this works just like glue. Like, it does not move. It doesn't move. Okay, so I think it's gonna be sitting pretty well on my head. I hope it sit well on my head. It was kind of short for me, so I won't be able to have like ear tabs or nothing, but that's fine because honestly Zan don't know how to do that. But the hair itself is kind of cute. I was a little worried because I have dark hair. Like, I don't have black hair, but I have dark hair, so I was worried about all these brown tones, but it actually doesn't look that bad. I can't see. I don't have my contacts in. I've been wearing my glasses, as y'all see in the title. But yeah, I don't think I'm ready to cut the lace off yet. I think in some parts I'm ready to cut it off, but I don't think all the way. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands because I got, like, it's just disgusting, all this hair and makeup all in my hair. So I'm gonna wash my hands, put my contacts in. Hopefully I don't make it look crazy, because I think I do look good with my natural brown eyes. We're gonna do the lighter brown. I think it'll make the hair pop or whatever. I mean, the hair's already popping, but okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put like some eyelashes on. Okay, eyelashes, and do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna get dressed. My bed is a mess, y'all, I know, but ignore it. Ignore it. So I'm just put my eyelashes on, clean my eyebrows up, and that's it. I don't really wear makeup. I feel like my contacts are already doing the most right now. This is nice clothes. I just have on this different, but yeah. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Your Pink Pillow. Check out this hair down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Okay, so I'm recording on my phone. Here I think I look cute. So. Ring light, guys, which is great. It's kind of not sitting on my head right, but I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures anyways. I'm not going anywhere for today. Just taking Instagram pictures. I'm on my third outfit. just a dress, you know, just a simple dress. But yeah, I think I already like ended the video. But once again, follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at Your Pink Pillow, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.